Said the weather was like the end of October. Please, science, please explain. I swear there's a little bit of a rocket sound up in there. What the fuck is going on? What the fuck is going on? I've seen a couple of huge flashes of color. When I think about the Galactic Federation coming in and taking them all out. See how it travels. This is creepy as shit. This is not normal sounds of thunder. Maybe they're starting the alien invasion. I don't know. There is something going on up here. I'm telling you. It is weird. It'll roll in and it will roll out and then some will roll around in different places. It's weird.